In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Pepperstone account to Tradingview easily. Watch until the end because I have a quick bonus tip for smoother trading. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard after logging in. Then go to the Product tab at the top to reveal the drop-down options. Choose Super Charts so you can open the full chart interface. Now click the trading panel at the bottom of the screen to see the brokers you can connect. Choose All Brokers so you'll see the full list of available brokers. Scroll through the list, find Pepperstone, click it, and hit Connect. A new window will pop up asking you to sign into your Pepperstone account. Just enter your login details to finish linking it. Bonus tip: always double-check your Pepperstone account credentials and make sure you're connecting to the correct server for real-time data and order execution. And that's how you connect Pepperstone to TradingView. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple trading tutorials. See you next time!